Time goes by so quickly. At the very start of 2026, Samsung's next flagship family, the Galaxy S26, will be a fact. It is said that all three of the new types are thinner than the old ones. We've heard similar claims before, but now we have some real numbers to back them up. The three top models are said to lose a few thousandths of a millimeter according to the new leak. The goal is to get closer to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which was the first Galaxy S phone that was really thin. The Galaxy S26 Pro, which has replaced the base model, is only 6.7 millimeters thick, according to a source inside the company. It is 0.5 millimeters thinner than the Galaxy S25 from this year, which is 7.2 millimeters. The Galaxy S26 Edge goes even further. It's only 5.5 millimeters thick, while the S25 Edge is 5.8 millimeters thick. Even though the battery capacity went up from 3,900 mAh to 4,200 mAh, this is still the case. Reports also suggest that silicon carbon cells may be used instead. The Galaxy S26 Ultra was also shrunk by 8 millimeters, and it is now only 7.8 millimeters thick. To review, the S25 Ultra is 8.2 millimeters thick, and the S24 Ultra is 8.6 millimeters thick. Our source tells us that Samsung can't make the phone smaller because it has AS Pen built in. To do that, they would have to make the stylus itself thinner, which isn't possible. Also, this means that in the future, Ultra models might move to an external S Pen like the Galaxy S21 Ultra or get rid of the stylus altogether. Keep in mind that these measurements are based on the newest internal samples of the Galaxy S26 Trio. The actual sizes may be a little different. The two should stay in the same ballpark though. The thinner builds show that Samsung is still working to improve its design language while keeping battery life and sturdiness in mind. The next few months should bring more information as the project goes forward. The phone will come out in early 2026. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.